Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you some Easter arts and crafts. So we are going to start with this beautiful Faith bracelet, and I love this activity because this is what Easter is really about. Jesus dying in the cross for us, and I want to instill that to my daughters and make sure that they know what Easter is really about. So we are just cutting this printable that I will make sure to leave a link below for you guys so you can print it yourself. And they just enjoyed doing this with me. So I grabbed some assorted jelly beans, and you want the ones that have all of these beautiful bright colors because each color actually has a meaning in the story. So now we are just separating each color. I also have a thread and a big needle, and you want to carefully thread the jelly bean so that you can start forming your bracelet. And ideally you want to follow the pattern of the printable, the blue cross printable, but you can just put whatever color you think goes well and start threading it all around. So as you can see, each jelly bean has a meaning of the Passion of Christ, and I think it's just an adorable craft that you can do with your kids. So now we're going to start threading the cross, and you want to secure the two ends of the thread tightly. And this actually works better if you have a stretchy cording or thread because it's a bracelet and kids can take it off, put it on, and stretch it all around, and it's gonna last all day. But I didn't really have stretchy cording, so I just grabbed what I had around my house. And also it looks so adorable when you put a little bow. So now let's make some Peep Play-dough. This is one of my kids' favorites, and you want some Peep marshmallows, some powdered sugar, and also coconut oil. We're going to start by adding 1 full tablespoon of coconut oil and then 6 peeps of your color of choice. Now we're going to microwave them by 10-second increments. And then what you want to do is start mixing the coconut oil with the marshmallows. And now I'm adding 6 tablespoons of powdered sugar, and you are going to mix that really well. And at first it's going to be really tacky and gluey and weird, the texture, but you just want to keep mixing, and if it still sticks on your fingers, just add a little bit more powdered sugar until you get the consistency of Play-doh. Both my daughters had different colors, and they just had so much fun playing with it. I gave them some cookie cutters and a roller pin so that they can do their own creations. And the best part about this is that it's completely edible and it smells delicious, and they can just let their imaginations go wild and eat it. So now let's make some Easter egg bath bombs, and what we are going to need is 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of cornstarch, half a cup of epsom salt, and I grabbed this one that I found at Walmart. It has epsom salt, Himalayan pink salt, and bergamot and sweet orange essential oils. You're also going to need citric acid, half a cup. And this is how it looks at the grocery store so that you can find it easily. So now we're going to mix all of the dried ingredients really good. Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of fractionated coconut oil. I always find it better if you mix with your hands, so that you can completely incorporate the oil with the rest of the ingredients. I then divided the mixture into 3 equal parts, and those are my colors. These are gel colors, and I think they're better than regular liquid colors because they're not going to water down your mixture, and it's not gonna like fizz, because when you add a liquid it starts fizzing immediately. So I'm just mixing the color thoroughly with my hand and with a fork. Now I have a spray bottle with water and I'm just adding 1 spritz at a time because like I said, it's going to fizz really quickly, and what you want is to have the consistency of wet sand so that everything sticks together. I'm using Easter plastic eggs as molds, and I'm just going to incorporate a color at a time, pushing back so that it's very compact. But then when you have the 2 halves like full, you want to put a little bit of the mixture in the middle, but don't push back, because when you close it, that's when you're going to push really, really hard, and hopefully it's going to stick together. Look how cute they look. I let them rest for a couple hours and took them out of the mold, and then you can use them immediately. Last but not least, I'm sharing my Easter Bunny bento lunch. And I have this adorable printable that I will also leave a link down below for you guys. And right now what I'm doing is just cutting it in the same shape and measurement as my juice box. And you just want to tape the page onto it. I had some fruit cups in my pantry and I decided that it would be cute to draw a little chick. And also I have a cheese stick, and I'm using the same bunny ears that I had from the juice box. I just cut them really, really small, and I'm making a cheese stick bunny. I'm using this plastic carrot to hold some almonds. And I just made a simple ham and cheese sandwich with a bunny cookie cutter. Also a side salad with some tomatoes, cucumbers, and romaine lettuce, and I'm just going to start assembling our cute bento with all of these Easter items. I hope that you really enjoyed these Easter arts and crafts ideas that you can share with your loved ones, with your kids. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes and ideas like this ones. Thank you so much, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!